Today I would like to share my favorite game, football. I like also football. Football is the most popular game in the world. We know it is played between two teams, and each team has been players. The game is played with a round ball, and players try to score goals by kicking the ball into the opponent's net. It is a game of speed, skill, and teamwork. Football makes our body strong and teaches discipline, competition. And friends, people all over the would love to wish and play football. It is not just a game but also a source of joy and excitement. My favorite footballer, Lionel Messi. He is a big footballer, and in the half he is a good player in the world, I think, and I remember. And my favorite national team, Argentina, and also Bangladesh. Football team not oil, but day by day increase our national football team. So I love my national football team, Bangladesh, but others country I love Argentina football national team. And my favorite club, Barcelona. Barcelona is very big club in the world, I remember. And my favorite footballer, Karim Benzema, and she also Muslim player, because I am a Muslim, so I love him. Sometimes I play football. Football is very important in our health.